Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires front all season, front disc rear drum brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.